और इस व्लॉग में चेस्ट प्रेस के लिए एक ऑल्टरनेटिव बताने वाला हूँ जो उन लोगों को मदद होगा who don't have a bench at home, so that I get an extra stretch in my pectoral muscle which will lead to a good contraction when you go back and a full range of motion, also a good pump. This is really important guys, as in for me it really works. What's up guys, hope you're all doing well and welcome to the new vlog. So आज हम ट्रेन करने वाले हैं चेस्ट और ट्राइसेप को and I just had 2 bananas as my pre-workout and I'm drinking coffee right now. इस vlog में मैं बताने वाला हूँ एक चेस्ट प्रेस के लिए एक alternative, as in we don't have benches at home so we need to work on floor, as in we need to do chest press on floor. So एक ऐसा alternative जो सब कर पाएंगे but
नजरों ने दिल का किया जो असर ये हुआ.
It's around 3:30 in the evening, so अभी हम थोड़ा Friends देखेंगे. Feels really good to observe, and after watching the reunion part, I feel like watching the whole series all over again. So अभी 1-2 episode देख लूँगा, बाद I'll train chest. So let's go. आप लोगों के पास अगर बेंच हो या एक स्टूल जैसा हो, मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगा. आई हैव अ स्टूल काइंड ऑफ थिंग, नॉट अ स्टूल, अ ड्रॉवर एक्चुअली which can be replaced as a bench. If you have something like that, so go ahead with that. Even that gives you a very good pump as well as a very good range of motion. Also I have a resistance band for to replace the cable flies. Alright guys, for chest today I'm starting with normal push-ups. That will be for like warm up for me. उसके बाद मैं decline push-up करूँगा with the weights as in back के अंदर 2 plates डालूँगा. फिर with that I'll do decline push-ups. उसके बाद I start with weights के साथ first variation is my incline chest press. उसके बाद होगा a mixture of the bench press and the floor press. And उसके बाद flies होगा which the cable flies, which I replace the cable with the resistance band. I'll show you how it's done. So उसके बाद हम ट्राइसेप करेंगे. ट्राइसेप के लिए भी 3-4 वेरिएशन होगा, ज़्यादा नहीं, but I'll end the tricep session with the body weight dips. That is really important guys, as in for me it really works. It's like a complete finisher, I can say.
Possible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
Alright guys, जिस alternative के बारे में मैं बात कर रहा था वो अभी दिखाऊंगा. So what you need to do is, without dumbbells दिखाऊंगा पहले. So what you need to do is you need to sleep on the floor, take your feet near you, and then go to this bridge position. Alright, and retract your shoulders and chest up, retract your shoulders, and the bridge should be not too high and not too low, like you shouldn't touch the ground. So अभी हम क्या करेंगे, सिर्फ एक मीडियम सा रेंज में अपना ग्लूट्स को रखेंगे. आपकी कन्वीनियंस के लिए आप कुछ इधर रख सकते हैं या पिल्लो रख सकते हैं, कुछ भी रख सकते हैं. आई कीप दिस फोम रोलर फॉर माई सेफ्टी, एंड देन you can lift the weights, retract your shoulders, chest up, and you can just have have this full range of motion. You know, your hand won't stop here, it will go deep till here, so you'll get a full range of motion and a good stretch in your chest, and you can do a better. तो अभी slowly lift your dumbbells, shoulder retract and then chest up. When you do it on the floor, आप सिर्फ यहाँ तक जा सकते हो, because you get a flow here, you know, floor बीच में आ जाता है. So I just lifted my hips so that I get an extra stretch in my pectoral muscle, which will lead to a good contraction when you go back and a full range of motion, also a good pump. So ये कीजिए, अपने रिस्क के कीजिएगा और do it properly. If you didn't get this like the technique, go back to the point where I started and watch the video again. तो अभी हम इसके बाद ट्राइसेप ट्रेन करेंगे. ट्राइसेप के लिए एक 3 या 4 वेरिएशन होगा बस. First I'll start with the skull crusher and last I'll end it with the body weight dips as I told you in the beginning.
Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven.
Make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back?
Alright guys, done for the day. आज का सेशन बहुत बढ़िया था. So hope you all like this video. अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा, कमेंट कीजिएगा और सब्सक्राइब भी कर लेना चैनल को. अगर आपने ऑलरेडी सब्सक्राइब किया तो फिर से मत कीजिएगा. So also do follow me on Instagram. Link will be in the description. उधर मैं रील्स पोस्ट करता रहूँगा, ट्रेंडिंग रील्स, एंटरटेनिंग रील्स, नॉलेजेबल रील्स सब मिलेगा उधर. इधर ब्लॉग्स और अदर वीडियोज़. So till then, stay safe, stay home, bye.